Are you going to build something?
Yeah.
What are you going to build?
I'm going to build a highest mountain.
A highest mountain?
These are going to be the highest mountains.
What color are they?
They're blue.
They are blue.
What?
They are blue. What other colors do we have?
Purple, red, and pink,
Pink.
and purple, and then that's it. Mommy, there's one out here that's here too. I need that one. There's one over here too.
She's upstairs. She's either crashed out on the couch or she's doing homework. Oh, man.
Hey.
Sorry, no, she's crashed out.
What?
What are you doing?
Building the highest mountain.
Building the highest mountain?
Oh, there's some over here too, Mom.
I'll go get it.
Another one.
Oh, wait, I know.
So much for that. There was only both of them. It's going to be highest, highest, highest.
Who are you going to make the highest mountain for?
You're going to watch a werewolf movie?
Who are you making it for?
Good idea. Oh, hey, look. This is the
Look.
funny part when all the angry
It's the highest mountain.
That's beautiful. Who is it for?
It's for Daddy.
It's for Daddy.
Now I'm going to make one with purple sides for you.
All right.
It's going to be the mountain.
I only get a little mountain?
werewolf boyfriend.
Well,
My gosh, Mason.
yeah.
Max, how could you do this? Let me tell you, it wasn't easy finding the key to
This-
the door we never used because it was inside when
this-
we needed it. That's how.
Mommy, that's not building. I think this is a building.
Alex,
Here, Mommy, this is a building. The
That's a
purple one.
building?
Yeah.
because she didn't want
It's for you.
your second choice.
Now I'm going to put this thing on my house. There we go.
Listen to me, Alex.
Mommy, look.
Prove it. All you have to do is
That's beautiful. Who's that guy on the table?
if you
What
wait
guy?
and it grows, then you'll know how I truly
What
feel.
guy?
That bear. Who is that?
No.
On the table right there.
There, you can go get it.
This is not a bear, it's a dog.
Oh, it is.
It's a bog.
Oh, it's a bog. Where did you get him?
Mommy, it was just in your bed.
Okay.
So,
No, where did you get him from the first time? Did you get him from Uncle Robert?
No, you can't go. Alex,
no, it was at the store. I did try to buy it for
Daddy didn't buy that. Uncle Robert bought that for you the day that you were born. And you've had him ever since.
But, Mom,
just watch. Way to watch your
then who bought it for me?
Uncle Robert bought it for you.
What am I gonna do when Mr.
Well,
Russo shows up for his shift?
wait, Mommy,
Hey, Harper.
this building is not done yet. I need a couple more stamps. It's not done yet.
Okay. Is it going to be a surprise?
Yep. It's going to be a surprise for stampers. Wait,
Wizards of
Mommy,
Waverly
that
Place will
doesn't
be right
work.
back. Here on Disney Channel.
Who's coming to see us this weekend?
Saturday on Disney Channel is the family
I
reunion.
told you, that was Patrick.
You'll take
And who else?
to the future to find the family he never had.
Who else?
Meet the Robinsons. Then they grew up 5,000 miles apart.
Lakearoo.
We should switch places.
Are you excited?
For dinner. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Lindsay Lohan.
That's beautiful, Bubby.
Wait,
It's a family reunion.
some more snaps.
Saturday starting at
Some more snaps, Mom.
Do you want Mama to put this video on the internet?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah?
whatever your
Sure.
Can you say hi, internet people?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Hi, internet people.
You gotta look at the camera and wave.
Hi, internet people. Mommy, these don't sound right.
Can you show them what Butch Walker does?
I will do it.
Oh, you can.
natural talent and desire, you've got some.
Yeah, baby.
How she'll let what?
Opportunity to
This one.
score 6 rounds, they can score a perfect 300.
With your thumb.
Yeah.
With your thumb too. There you go. With your thumb. Yeah, baby.
What is that?
That's Jeff Hardy.
You Jeff Hardy.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, now I'm gonna do one of Needles.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put them in the back and gonna save them for you.
You're going to save them for me.
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to end this video.
I'm gonna make them for you and everybody.
Great. Do you want to end the video? Layla Monroe, do you want to end the video?
Yep.
Okay, say bye, Internet people.
Bye, Internet people.
Can you wave bye?
Bye.
Say see you next time.
Next